conflict si khwaitaki nongaidaba kanana shu thokhaningdaba thothok ama wayi thokhaning treshu conflict te atum thoki oirashu conflict is not the end of the world. It makes love grow stronger and experts sing na haikiba theng nei conflict si forms and varieties kaya marum leiram bayai atu marakta huchik manipur da thokriba jati ani ke conflict si shu unique nature amani hai bayai manipur da leidiba jati kaya achumba buwari atu da pace tawraga nungshi chana hingmi na bani haina manipur ke lok sabha MP Dr. Lorho S Fosena Fongtoki mahakpu Ukhrul da unaraga kamen amasong appeal tawbasi ngahaktang daminase.
See, in a conflict situation, rumors do play a big role. And when you try to concoct history, when you try to, manipulate history, that also has got a lot of role to play into this type of unhappiness. People, unless we base our narratives on the basis of truth cannot be manipulated. What was truth 100 years ago cannot be untruth today. So truth will always remain as truth. Now, this is the very fact that I would like to stress. When our people try to relate our own selves, and when we say this is this is that, and then when we are manipulating truth, then it becomes a problem. Then the point of debate comes, the point of confrontation comes, when you move away from the truth. And this is one factor that I've seen widely happening in our present situation. So I think whether it be Kukis, whether it be Nagas, whether it be Pangans, whether it be Meiteis, I think we must know, we must realize that our state, the very fact that we're living together in good harmony is only because of some truth that we are basing on. I would appeal to all the people always to come back on truth. Yes, some people say that Meiteis, Nagas and Kukis have also come from somewhere else. So do the Pangans. When the earth was, created, we were not here. We had come from somewhere else, which is true. But then who are the first natives? Who are the first people who came and dwelt? Those people become the natives, and that history cannot be manipulated. And then when we say that some other groups of people came later, we also agree to the fact that they have come so that they will come and live with us as good neighbors. And I think unless we realize this, we begin to start some confrontation that will not be good. Now, in the present context, we talk about Manipur history. Manipur, we claim that it is more than 3,000 years old history. 33 AD is the time when the Manipur's first Meitei kingdom was established and things like that, they do say, which may be true. But then we are talking about the present-day Manipur, after the merger of the state of Manipur into the Union of India. This is one era from where we should look at the present-day perspective. I think unless we look at it, if we only think of the ancient past alone, that also may not be correct. If we think of, just the recent past, 10, 20 years ago, that also may not be correct. We have to have a timeline from where we should start considering about our present-day history and the genesis or the origin of all these conflicts and the future from hence, how we will evolve into the future. So I think that is something that we must really understand.
Honorable MP na appeal tawbakum na Manipur da lady bachati kanglup tharma kaya amasung pracha mayam supremacy outlook hanta tuna buwari semtok satokpa lab tuna misinformation latana sense of empathy leminaraga achumba atuda base tawraga nungshi chana leminaba hotna basi yamta kali maramdi achumba haibasi chumna atum leirani.